This master is focused on students that are coming from other countries and in English-speaking language. The idea of this program is that the student that is not living here in Spain can conduct the full learning program in oral implantology, treating all the topics from the basics to the high level of qualification.
I would highly recommend the masters to anyone interested in implantology, surgery and perio. The program is very good, it's very well organized. We cover the topics that I was hoping to have covered. So far everything has been really good.
I think it's a great program as it provides a nice balance between education and theoretical as well as the practical. And it also provides a nice opportunity for people who are working to study in parallel with their jobs. After finishing my dental degree at UCAM, I had a nice insight into how this master's worked. And I thought it would be a great addition onto the education that I had to then further my studies when I go out into the practicing world. I definitely would recommend it. I think it's a great opportunity to further their education and build on the skills that they already have. It also has the flexibility that you can work and you're not having to take a year out or 2 years out in order to just focus on studying. It gives a nice balance between the two. So I definitely would recommend it.